What's going on, guys? Y'all boy DC in the building. Y'all know the vibe. It's May 12th. It's Tuesday. Let's get it, man. We've been here just waiting for a setup. I ain't see nothing that was worth the taking. There was this 15-minute supply zone right here. There was this 15-minute supply zone that it did tap. It was earlier in the day. Um, it did give a breakout candle, an entry candle, but to me it wasn't worth taking because there was too much consolidation in price. Let me make this one screen. There was just this back and forth uncertainty, right? So when there's things like that, I don't like to get myself involved because that's just putting your account on unnecessary risk that doesn't need to be had. Um, this setup did win. This setup did win, but like I said, it wasn't worth the taking because there was just too much consolidation. Price was just going back and forth. It went for a 101, almost a 102. And I was calculating everything that price was doing. So for example, here, let me see. Here, price gave a fake out entry, and it never reached the 101. So, and then it hit stop loss, right? And then on this one, on this sell, price hit the 101, but that's just going back and forth between the 13 and the 50 SMA. This one, it was also a fake out right here. So this is why it's like not worth the taking for me, because there's just too much uncertainty. It could win. It's a like 50-50. The odds is not in my favor. So there's this one right here that I never reached the 101, and then it just went straight to stop loss. And then sales was the move, as y'all can see. This candle right here broke both of the EMAs, which created a momentum. This one was a winner. Yeah, this one was a winner for a 101. And then this one, the one that I was just talking about, that it had a 15-minute confluence right here. Right. It tapped, reversed, it respected the 50 SMA right here, and then it just went straight for a 101, 101.9. And yeah, I just didn't see a point in taking that one. Right now, price did tap, it almost tapped this 5-minute supply zone, but it did not fully tap it, as you can see right here. And it did give a one candle entry. I did not take that. I do not like that setup. Use your judgment. Whenever you're trading, you should use your judgment, bro. Like, if you see something you don't like, there's no point in taking something you don't like for the fact of why will you put your money at risk? Why will you put your account at risk in something that you not fully believing in? You know what I'm saying? It just doesn't make sense. On the other hand, I did take note on that setup because it did happen the other day on, I believe it was Friday last week or Thursday last week, where we got a setup where it hit the 15-minute supply zone or 15-minute demand zone, and it went for a winner. So, and this one again went for a winner. There was one loser that we did see, but it went for a 101. and the other one went for a 102. Take a note of that, saying um, if price taps the 15-minute supply zone or demand zone, but it does not tap the 5-minute supply and demand zone, then it's just best to take the setup. If you believe in the setup, take the setup, but just lower your risk. It's that simple. So next time we see something like this that's correlating with the trend, it's in confluence with all the EMAs, and then we have a confluence with the 15-minute or the 5-minute, then we should take it, but with lower risk. That's it. On crude oil, I ain't see nothing. There was nothing. It was just moving very sporadic. As you can see, it's in no man's land, doing a bunch of nothing. Holding these levels of resistance right here. Broke the support. And right now it's just here. If there is a candle that breaks like this, I'll probably take it, cause it's at a resistance and it's far from the 200 EMA. It looks good, but like I said, it needs to get it together. It gave me a good breakout candle to take it to the downside. Gold is looking like it's going for that win. The one that didn't tap the supply zone. Yeah, it went for that 101. Probably might head to a 102. Who knows? But it's looking very strong right now. Sell was the move today, for sure. No buys, just sell. Straight sell. Setups that have this, the 15 and the 13 just crossing back and forth. I noticed that I was losing too much, so that's why I just took it off my trading setup, because that's what just makes sense. That's what just makes sense. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. What's going on? Setup is that setup on gold is still going. The ugliest setups be winning. That's the crazy thing. Shit. Ugliest setups be winning. This setup is still looking good. This is what we were seeing yesterday. It's looking pretty good to the downside. Block is still looking good no matter. This one gained 20% overnight. This one the contras were like $1,000, so I didn't even add it. Or like 1,500 per contract. Like, give me a break. Because it was high likely of happening. See, that thing went for 103, almost a 103. That's tough. See, ugliest setups be winning. Ugliest setups. We don't go for those though. If it had like a 5 minute resistance or something, then I would have taken this. But it didn't. It did not. Price broke this level of support. I want to see and wait to see if Price is going to be giving us another setup. I just want to see what's up. We here just focus on winning. This is the account. We haven't taken a setup since Wednesday. Since Wednesday, we haven't taken a setup. Like, damn. May and April price action just been. It's just been. Did I say April? Yeah, April. It's just been alright. It really hasn't been the cleanest. We haven't taken a setup since Wednesday, so we just focus on winning. It don't matter. One winning setup, and we're looking for the next one. We're looking for the next one. What I want to see is price come back, retrace a little bit longer than this. I want to see price come here, 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 and then head back to the downside. That's what I want to see. But price might not do that. It might just do that right here. I need a bigger retracement than this. At least to like up here. Wait, how was this one? How big was this move? 19, 11. Damn. Price held all down to 15. This one losing. This one losing. Lose, lose, lose. Well, for sells, win, win, and another win. That's 3 winning setups in one sitting. Three winning setups in one sitting. Damn, this kind of look good for the for crude oil. I really did want this to break the 50. Both in one. This might still play out though. And gold is not looking like it wants to give us another setup. It just might ride the 13. Oh yeah, this one yesterday too. It didn't tap the supply zone, and it was a winner too. This one was a winner. And then this one had a double top, and it was a winner too. It went for 1 or 2, I believe. The stop loss was very small, but I believe it went for 1 or 2. Yeah, exactly a 1 or 2. Oh, I didn't even know it tapped the 5 minute supply zone. Look at that. This is a counter trend setup. I don't see nothing else, bro. Damn. United Health is flying. Yeah, I don't see price coming back. Not at all. Shoot. That'll be a miracle if price comes back. Let's see what the woman is doing. Come on. Yeah, price is not coming back crazy. Hell no. This one was a loser. Like I said, it would have been better if it broke both. But as gold keeps going down, oil's gonna keep going up. Yeah, I'm gonna just call this a day. I'm not taking no setup because it's not gonna come back up here. Not now. Probably later outside of my trading session, but not now. So I'm gonna just call this a day. Just like yesterday. Calling the day soon since there's not gonna be a setup. Trust me. There's not gonna be a setup. But even if there was a setup, um I would still record it, take it, record it and show y'all tomorrow and see what the outcome was right here. Cause I will always keep showing this every single day. Every day of the live stream I'll be showing this, no matter what the outcome is. So but bro, this is just like for me to journal exactly what I'm doing. So when I'm journaling all my notes, what am I doing right, what am I doing wrong, and what do I gotta improve in? That's the purpose of the live. I'm not just here for nothing. It's better when you look at yourself, see what you're doing, than trying to think what you did during the day, what you were thinking, and things like that. Here, I'm just thinking out loud, which is a lot better than sitting in your mind. But yeah, I'm calling this a day. It's your boy DC. Peace, love, and abundance. Have a beautiful rest of your day. I'll catch you tomorrow. Same time. Nothing different. Let's keep focus on winning. And that's it. Have a blessed day. Peace.